What's up everybody, and welcome back to another video, guys. This time you're not going to see my face. This time it's going to be an in-car video. Today's video is going to be a cheap way to accessorize your shift knob. If you're a cheap ass like me and don't feel like going out and buying a different color shift knob, and you still want the same color as your car or a different look, and you have a 6-speed manual or 5-speed or whatever the case is, as long as it's a manual car, you can go ahead and do this little DIY ghetto mod to your car. So some of the things you're going to need is going to be, well, it's fingernail polish. So I got the LA Colors Color Craze nail polish that I'm going to be using for this my shift knob. I kind of color matched it to where it's basically the same color as my car, because I am going with like a blue theme for the inside and for some bronze as well, but that's besides the point. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to obviously really clean out your gate. So let's go ahead and do it now. I had some alcohol, but instead I'm using a window cleaner. So we're doing that. So let's go ahead and spray down on the rag. And go ahead and clean your gear shift. Make sure you get in the gate. The R, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go ahead and clean that off. You're also going to need some fingernail polish remover. So go ahead and blow that off and let it dry off a little bit. And then we can go ahead and getting started with the fingernail polish. So give it a quick shake until you know it's all nice and shooken. I mean, I got all this stuff for like literally like $2, so at Family Dollar. So if this doesn't work, then it's obviously you can take it off if you don't like it. If I don't like it, same thing. But this is just a video for you guys, so you guys can see, how to do it, and so I'm uploading as well. So go ahead and shake it up, and let's get it started. Okay, now that your polish is all shaken up, please crack your windows because this stuff is pretty potent in smell. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into each individual number and obviously letter. So we're going to do all 1 through 6, and then R for rocket, the rocket gear right here, and then also the gating. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and I guess paint your gear shift. So let's go ahead and dabble a little bit in there, a little bit in there. I'm gonna do a few coats of these. So this first layer of at least what I'm using is really like watery. So go ahead and do a few coats of these. Alright guys, now it's time for the second coat. As you can see right here, I tried peeling it off or rubbing it off, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the acetone to take it off. So let's go ahead and hit this with the second coat, so that nice deep blue kind of shows. I literally feel like I'm painting a chick's nails right now. I think 2 coats should be fine. Then we'll let this sit, and then go ahead and take off the excess blue stuff, because right now it looks like literal shat. So with that done, we're gonna let it sit, then hit it with the acetone or Modelista, whatever this is. So damn, this thing does not want to focus. That stuff, and then we'll go ahead and yeah, get it done. Sorry if the camera looks a little bit dark, but I don't know what's going on with it. So we got the acetone on the rag here, and we're going to just lightly go around, not putting that much pressure on the numbers and letters, and we can go ahead and start rubbing this stuff off. So as you can see, it looks really good after you take off all the acetone, and I mean, it gives a little bit of character to your gear shift. Like I said, if you're a cheap ass like me and you really don't feel like buying a $70, $80 shift knob, that might not work because you have the lockout collar right there, and if you really don't feel comfortable putting it in yourself, I mean, this is a really cool option. I mean, it looks really cool. I mean, I like it. If you guys don't like it, then tough luck. I mean, it's my video, my car, I can do what I want. But if you guys like this video, please go ahead and drop a like. Please subscribe, share these videos. If you want more DIY videos, I have a lot more videos coming up, guys. I will be gone for a few days. I'm going to be going to California to visit some family. And yeah, so the videos that are coming up are going to be some vinyl wrap videos, some detailing videos again, and how to tint windows from home, everything like that. So I hope you guys like this video, guys. If you do, once again, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Stay focused, guys. Oh, where am I? Stay focused, guys. Be safe. And I'm out of here, guys.
Set it off, I suggest, don't set it off, I suggest, don't set it off, 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 set it off on the left, y'all, set it off on the right, y'all, set it off, come on, let's set it off.